Hi, welcome to Viet Lingo. Learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. My name is Thanh Huyền. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at Viet Lingo. Have you ever say bò when you mean bồ, or try to say con chó but it came out sounding like chó? Yep, that tiny difference between O and O can change everything. In this video, we will fix that. You will learn how to pronounce O and O correctly, how to tell them apart by sound and mouth shape, and how to use them naturally in real Vietnamese word and sentence. Let's start by understanding how to form each vowel. When you say O, open your mouth wide and round. The sound comes from deep inside your mouth and your lips are relaxed, not too tight. It sounds like the ah in English. The word long or dog. Try it with me. Ah, ah, ah. Now for O, this sound is more close and tighter. Your lips make a smaller, rounder circle, and your tongue moves slightly higher inside your mouth. It sounds close to the English long O in go or home. Try it. O, O, O. So the difference is O, the mouth open wider, or the mouth smaller, the lips tighter, sound higher and shorter. Let's alternate them together. Oh, 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 oh. Do you feel how your lips and jaw move differently? Now let's practice this sound in real Vietnamese word. Word with ah. Bo, cho, no, bo, lo, mở, họ, gò, cỏ, võ. When you say these, make sure your mouth stays open and your lips are relaxed. Listen. Bo, cho, no, bo, lo, mở, họ. Now, words with O. Bo, cho, no, to, lo, mõ, hổ, gỗ, cổ, vỗ. Notice how your lips tighten and the sound feels higher, more focuses. Let's do a few side by side. Bo, bo, cha, cho, ba, to, va, vô. See, just changing your lip shape can completely change what you are saying. Let's look at some common word pairs that Vietnamese learners often mix up. Bỏ means to quit or to drop something, but bo means a temper pot, or even a polite way to say grandpa in some contexts. Or to means big, but to means a bowl. Vo means to rub rice, while vo means to enter. Let's say them slowly. To, tô, bỏ, bô, vo, vô. Now faster, more natural. To, tô, bỏ, bô, vo, vô. You can hear that? O is tighter and more forward, while O is wider and deeper. It's about how open your mouth is. Let's use these vowels in real-life sentences. Repeat after me and pay attention to your lip shape. Em của Phong có cái tô to, còn chó ngó nha cho ông Phó. Em bo lo cho bố bị ốm. Cô cho học trò chơi lò cò. Bố lái ô tô đi vô nhà ông nội. When you say tô phở, your lips close tighter for tô and open more for phở. It's a nice rhythm. Tô phở. Tô phở. This contrast makes your speech sound clear and natural. Okay, time to test your ears. I'll say a word. You tell me, is it o, o? Một, bo. Hai, bô. Ba, to. Bốn, tô. Năm, lo. Sáu, lô. Bảy, vo. Tám, vô. If you got them all right, welcome. If not, don't worry. Just go back and listen again. Focus on how much your mouth's open. Now you have learned the difference between o and o. Is all about how open or close your mouth is. Here's how to remember it. When you say o, your mouth is open and relaxes, a deeper sound. When you say o, your lips form a smaller circle, a tighter sound, a bit higher. Practice both every day using minimal pairs like to, tô, bo, bo, and vo. Record yourself and listen again. If you can hear the difference, congratulations, you are already sounding more Vietnamese. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm Thanh Huyền from Viet Lingo and I'll see you in the next video. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Viet Lingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.